Welcome to Homegrown Veg Australia. Just wanted to give you an update on how the squash challenge is coming along. We planted 3 in each of these black seed raising tubs, as you can remember. So in 2 of them we've had 2 managed to come through the surface, and they've put on quite a lot of growth over the last week. And in one of them we've actually got 3 which have broken through the surface. That's a pretty good result. They've put on a lot of growth, as you can see, so the next step for us is that we're going to plant them. So I'll be back soon and show you how we've gone planting them. This is a place in the garden where I've actually planted the last batch of summer squash. So there's still some room to put some more in. So we're going to put them right here. And then there's another spot on the other side of this pumpkin plant, and just behind this spinach plant. We're going to put one there. And just down here on the other side of these red cabbages, we're going to put one there too. Okay, so now we have our new squash plants in. They've had a good drink and they've also had some sunshine over the last couple of days. They're looking very healthy, except for one just over here, just behind the spinach plant. That one's not looking so good. It's still alive, thank goodness for that, but it needs a good water, and I think I'm going to hit it with some Grow Plus, some fertilizer, some enhancer. That soil is looking like it might not retain enough water, so I'm going to recondition that soil. Just over here, these ones here are doing a lot better. The soil there looks a lot more compact and dense. Perhaps that's one reason why these ones are doing a lot better. And there's the little one just there, the last one to sprout. So we'll come back for another update in a new video. See you then.